So sprints are a methodology of working in 4 monthly intervals whereby we can be hyper-focused on what needs to be done to achieve the results for our clients. We adopted this approach because we found that working in a monthly cadence often led to spinning different plates in different times and not being able to focus on what really moved the needle. So sprint 1, if a new client comes on board, comprises of actually a 5-month period where we start with the strategy onboarding in month 1, and that builds the plan for the following 4 months. So the 4 months are then comprised of all the deliverables that we've pre-planned, and that's including also monthly reports. And then also the 4th month includes an end of sprint report, where it's a look back at the prior 3 months of activity, the results over those 3 months, and also baked into that is the planning for sprint 2. Moving into sprint 2, we then take the plan from the prior sprint and start executing that and repeat the cycle again, whereby in the 4th month, we then report back on the prior performance, the prior work conducted, and pre-plan for sprint 3. Sprint 3 would be the final sprint of the year, and exactly the same process by we understand the performance. We converse with the client as well, of course, if there's any new priorities that have come up for the business, and factor that into our planning. And then we have a complete look back over the whole period to understand what we need to do for the next sprint in the following year. So what this means is the client is well aware of what's happening over a longer period of time, so their needs can be met and they can factor in any initiatives that they've got going on, be it marketing campaigns or business initiatives, and we can factor that into that sprint of work. This also allows everyone to be hyper-focused on what needs to be done during that period so we can get the results, rather than ad hoc requests coming in from our end or from the client's end, where we then lose focus and working at multiple different areas at any given time and spreading ourselves too thinly.